this video, I will be teaching you how to use Perplexity AI for beginners. So you can see we have this now. We simply sign in and we got this screen. You can choose where you gonna be using the platform. Let's just say I'm using it for my desktop app, or you can use it online as well. And you can simply click on continue, and you can see our platform is now open. So you can start it right away. You can ask questions, and you can see we can use it for research. So let's just say tell me a joke, or maybe we can write something even more thoughtful. Write an essay about space, and hit enter, and it is going to be writing the answer for that. You can see you can also do a lot more with this. You can upload images. You can simply use this lab feature, which is in Pro. You can use the voice activated dictation and attach files. So it is having a lot more to offer, and we're going to be making videos upon that later on.